Hi, I'm Jordan. I'm a registered social worker and therapist at Brant Mental Health Solutions. I just want to take a minute to talk about, just in general, how parents can better support their kids, especially, with change being here in the start of the school year, and things like schoolwork and schedules being more crunched. I think one of the biggest things that I find myself talking often enough with when I need to connect with parents of clients is how you approach your child or teen when you want something from them, whether it's needing them to do a chore, or that you need them to go with you somewhere but they're in the middle of doing something else, or it's interrupting their plans. I think one of the biggest mistakes, and it's nothing bad, it's just natural, is to have a little bit of ignorance to what's the big deal, like this, I'm just asking you to do this, it'll take no time. But the response that a lot of parents get is, I'm in the middle of something. Sometimes there's anger of like, why are you bothering me, that sort of thing. I always say the best way to approach, if you want something or asking something from your child or teen, is to approach them with empathy, like calmly, and just connect. So if you're gonna swing that door open quick, swing it open slow, say hi, talk calmly, not with force, things like that. And then you say, look, I know you're in the middle of, for example, a video game. I am gonna ask you, can you help me do this for 20 minutes, or can you, try to get your homework done? I know it's annoying, right? I hear you, I've been there, but we do that and no problem, you can go back to your game, right? A big piece with just how I presented that is the tone that you use as well. So I would say the energy you approach your kids with, you're not verbally pushing them, they're more likely to not verbally push you back and will comply, right? So things will never be perfect, but trying to practice that approach over you need to, you should, you have to, that's where things like resentment can form, and pushing back and those sorts of things. So it's a practice, but I find that really effective, and it's something that kids and teens then earn respect more for their parents when they approach them that way. So that's just something quick I wanted to share, and I hope you can practice it at home and see some more positive results.